All right, so what are the possible development boards we can use for this course as well as our other courses? So remember that all our courses, okay, are based on ARM Cortex-M based microcontroller, okay? So the board has to be based on a microcontroller which runs with ARM Cortex-M processor. Okay, now for this course as well as our other courses, we use a development board which is based on ST's 32-bit microcontroller. Okay, so ST designs various 32-bit microcontrollers which are based on ARM Cortex M0, M3, M4, M7 and other processors. Okay, so most of the students ask questions frequently that they have TI's based board which is based on a microcontroller which runs with ARM Cortex-M processor, and there are other boards from NXP which also based on ARM Cortex-M processor. So can we use that board for this course? So my answer is yes, you can use. I would suggest you to continue using your ARM Cortex-M based board, but remember that the code what we write, okay, needs to be changed here and there in order to run it on your microcontroller, because the register details of the ST, for example, may not be same as the register details, clock details, bus details of other microcontrollers from TI or NXP. Okay, so there will always be change. That's why the code has to be changed, okay, in order to use other microcontrollers than ST. Okay, and since we discussed lots of generic concepts related to the processor and about the microcontroller, okay, so it will indeed help you to run or port the code onto your target. Okay, all right, so for this course as well as for our other courses, we have considered two boards from the ST microelectronics. Okay, so the one is the STM32F4 discovery board, okay, and another one is Nucleo F446RE. Okay, and remember that there are lots of other variations of discovery board as well as Nucleo board. Okay, so if you have any other variations than what you're seeing here, then I would suggest you to continue using the same, don't change it. Okay, and also remember that ST has now other advanced Nucleo as well as discovery boards which are based on ARM Cortex-M7 processor. Okay, so you can also go through the ST website and you can explore that. Okay, great. So now we will discuss about these two boards, and if you are a total beginner and if you don't have any boards at your hand and you need a decent ARM Cortex-M4 based microcontroller board, then you can check these boards. Okay, this is only my suggestion and I'm not forcing anyone to buy these boards. You should research and you should decide which board is suitable for your work. Okay, great. So now let's explore these boards. Okay, the first difference between discovery and Nucleo board is this cost more than Nucleo. Okay, price is higher for discovery. That's because it has more features than the Nucleo board. Okay, so you can go to these links to explore about these boards, and I have also given the links in the resource section. And the discovery board has more features compared to the Nucleo board. And also you can see that the flash size, the RAM size, so everything is more than, okay, the Nucleo board. Okay, and if you're a total beginner and if you are looking for a good board with lesser price, then I would suggest Nucleo board, of course. Okay, and so in our courses we use discovery board as well as the Nucleo board. Okay, the code what we write for discovery board can also be run on the Nucleo board, no problem, because both are based on F4X series. Okay, here it is. So now once you open these two web page, okay, so you should first check the user manual here. okay, of the boards. Okay, so that is really important because you should read this document to understand your board. Okay, so the user manual for this you can get from here. Okay,